I think anyone can be a volunteer. All you need is an interest and a love for nature, patience, a bit of perseverance, just time in your hands to spend a day out in the open, taking the fresh air and have some exercise. I'm able to contribute, even if it's in a small way, to the larger picture of conservation and keeping track of species and habitat changes and so on and so forth. So I hope that the survey data that I submit to NParks do act as a piece of the jigsaw in this larger picture to help the environment. I remember my first experience as a beginner, while it was easy to spot birds that were in the open, common birds, when it came to birds in the trees, it was really difficult. They were so well camouflaged, and unless they call out or they sang or they moved, it wasn't easy to spot them. Oh, now when I take a walk in the parks, it's a different awareness to me. I tend to look around and start identifying birds and butterflies and whatever that I recognize. Now things like litter, campfires left by campers, all this bother me a lot because I know that they are detrimental to the environment. Spotted duck.